happy to share this experience with you and making our dreams come true. Especially this is our third time to be here in LA. And we're very happy seeing a lot of familiar faces and being 18 in the crowd. Thank you so much for the never-ending love and support to our group. And please don't quit on us, okay? Okay? Yeah. And thank you so much, guys, for giving colors to our life. There is those colors. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. And I don't know what to say, but we're just very thankful for guiding us, for coming with us to our journey. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for being our guide. Thank you for being our map. And speaking of map, we're going to clean the stage using the map. No, I'm just kidding. But recently we just released the Indonesian version of Mapa. Were you guys able to listen to it? So I hope you enjoyed it with Aruma, so thank you so much. So, yeah, for our next song, this is for all the parents, or parent figures. This song is for you. Di ba kami ba?
Lagi na lang kami nauna. Ngayon naman ikaw na muna. Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Yung matatan, pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Salamat sa iyong nagawa, pahinga muna, ako na.